Father of missing 4-year-old Cody Bigsby faced a judge in Hampton today. Corey Bigsby is charged with child neglect, but it's not related to his son's disappearance in January.
News 3 reporter Antoinette Delbell was inside the courtroom and updates us on what happened today and what's on the way next.
The court hearing centering on statements Corey Bigsby made to Hampton detectives the night he was questioned at police headquarters about his son's disappearance. His legal team wanted those statements thrown out and not be used against him at trial, but a judge said no. Corey Bigsby walking into the Hampton courtroom Thursday looking much skinnier, waving to his family. His lawyers arguing Bigsby's constitutional rights were violated and he was mistreated when he was questioned by police on January 31st, right after he reported his 4-year-old son Cody missing. Bigsby's legal team says he was at police headquarters all day into the early morning hours, even taking a 2.5-hour polygraph test. During that time, they say the father wasn't asked to take a rest or sleep, and it was never made clear he could leave at any point.
Yeah, we wanted all statement out, and they threw out half of them. Yeah, so, but that was, but we thought all of them should have been out.
During that questioning, detectives say Bigsby admitted he left his children home alone. He now faces several charges for child neglect not related to Cody's disappearance. The 4-year-old still has not been found.
We want this baby found so we can bring him home.
2 detectives took the stand Thursday, saying during questioning between 11:57 p.m. and 4:13 a.m., Bigsby did not ask for a lawyer and was not under arrest at that point, so he was free to leave. Hampton Commonwealth's attorney Anton Bell told the court prosecutors will not use any statements Bigsby made when he did request a lawyer and was denied that right.
Whenever you ask for an attorney, of course, you should be given that right to an attorney. So all we wanted to bring in is those statements made prior to, and the court has granted us that permission to bring those statements in, and we agree with that ruling, and we're happy about it.
Volunteer search groups were inside the courtroom Thursday. They've been looking for Cody since he disappeared. They say this case is losing its focus.
This is turning into a circus. Okay, one of the key things that was the main concern is, where is Cody? Don't keep dragging this out.
Again, the judge denied that motion. Bigsby's trial is set to begin November 7th. In Hampton, Antoinette Delbell, News 3.